Well, as you can see, I'm dadoing out my shells here, and I'm noticing this is a jig I've had. I made this, oh my goodness, maybe 30 years ago, 20 years ago, at least 20, maybe, probably 30. Yeah, because my son's 35, and I probably made it before he was born, so that'd be over 30 years ago. But I noticed the plywood is getting thinner. I'm gonna have to make a new jig, I guess. You can see it is a little bit of gap there. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get the camera. But this is the fastest way I found to do the dados. It's just a simple little jig here, and with a cut in the middle of it. You just notice this is just ever so slightly wider. It's not, this plywood isn't 3/4 anymore. It must be 1/16 under. So all I'll have to do is I'll have to kind of hold it up or down. I'm not sure which. But oh well. Everything's getting smaller. So alrighty. That's how I do my dados. I've thought about making a jig on the table saw with the dado blades, but it's so cumbersome using something that long. I'd have to make it with a slide, and then the blade has to go through the slide, so that wouldn't work. I'm sure there's something. But yeah, I've never done it on the table saw. This is how I've always done it. I don't know how many of these I've done. Tons and tons of them. Alrighty, you have a good one. God bless.